everyone, my name is Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over some fun spring looks for the upcoming season to go with all sorts of different hair colors. So I'm going to be showing you a blonde wig color, a brunette wig color, as well as a red wig color, and different spring looks you can go with. And of course, this is all up to your own personal style. You can add more or less accessories depending on what you like, and some of them are more on the girly feminine side, and some of them are more on the business side or more on the casual side, so there's a little bit of something in this video for everyone. The first outfit I'm going to be showing you is going to be using the wig from the brand new Amore Collection, which is called Ori in the color Rose Gold R. Now for this look, I decided to go with a classic spring dress look. Of course, as soon as the weather gets nice, many of us love to break out those spring dresses, and I am definitely one of those people. So for this first outfit, I went for a basic pink spring dress. Now, you could keep this outfit simple and just wear the dress, but you could also choose to accessorize it to add a little pizzazz. So I decided to also pair it with this jean jacket. For me, I feel like jean jackets are really great for the spring because they add a little bit of warmth for the chillier weather if it is still a bit chilly in your area, but they're also light enough that they're good for warmer weather as well. So I chose to wear this jean vest with this dress. For this look, I also decided to go with more delicate accessories, so here I have this simple gold necklace. Mine happens to say my own name, which is Abigail, is my full name, and so you can wear something similar, whether it's a small heart, a small star, your own name, or whatever just simple jewelry you have around. When it comes to spring dresses, you can wear whatever type of shoes you want. Everything kind of looks nice with a spring dress. So you can choose to wear sandals, heels, sneakers, or boots even look great with dresses as well. A shoe that's a little bit of a fusion because I feel like that's good for the spring weather. It's this type of shoe that has an open toe, which is typical for spring like a sandal, but it still has a bit of a boot style with a chunkier heel, more like a winter or fall look. So it's just a good fusion for the weather of the springtime, which is kind of not quite warm yet, but still definitely not as cold as winter. For this next look, I chose to go with a brunette wig, so I'm going to be using the wig Cheyenne from the René of Paris line in the color Dark Chocolate. Cheyenne is a beautiful, silky, long bob, so it's just slightly longer than a typical bob look. For this look, I chose to go with a cream-colored corduroy pant, which is nice for the springtime with the light color. I also decided to pair it with this sort of 70s vibe striped t-shirt. So you can either stop there, or you can also choose to add some more accessories. So I chose to add this light scarf, which again is great for the slightly chillier weather of the spring, but it's not as heavy as a typical scarf you might wear for the winter time. And I thought this green color of this scarf matched nicely with the pastel green stripe in the shirt. For this final look, I'm using the wig René from the René of Paris collection in the color Crimson LR. It's this beautiful short style with a little bit of a wave in this beautiful, long-rooted reddish color with a dark root. For this look, I went with another type of garment that I love to wear in the spring weather, which is a long skirt. And just to match it with a basic t-shirt, I just have this basic black t-shirt on. Now again, if you want to keep it simple, you can stop there, but I love my statement accessories. So I also went with these butterfly earrings, which I also think look really nice with the hairstyle because since the hair is short, it kind of peeks out a little bit below the hair. I also chose to add this butterfly ring because I love a little bit of pop of color, so this adds a little bit of purple to the outfit. I'm also wearing this chain necklace just for another statement accessory. Okay, that's all the outfits that I'm going to be showing in this video. Definitely leave a comment below sharing which outfit you liked best of these three, which one is more your style, and let me know if you're going to take any inspiration from this video as well. Also be sure to let me know which of the three wigs I showed today were your favorite. Just to recap, this one is Ori from the brand new Amore Collection in Rose Gold R. I also showed you Cheyenne in Dark Chocolate from the René of Paris line, as well as René in Crimson LR, also from the René of Paris line. So I love to change my wig looks all the time, so here are three great options for you to choose from, going from blonde to brunette to red. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.